Welcome to Clean Image of Orlando. Hello, my name is Carl Maddock and I am the owner. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to provide you an estimate on cleaning and sealing your pavers. Homeowners often ask, why should I get my pavers cleaned and sealed? One reason, as you can see in the videos, is to help mitigate weed growth in the joints. After thoroughly cleaning out the paver joints, we will install new sand in the joints and use a sealer that will then harden and stabilize the sand so it'll be difficult for weeds to grow, as well as mitigate mold growth in the gaps. Another reason is for aesthetics. Pavers over time will lose their vibrance and color and start to look worn and faded. Sealing with Seal and Lock or Trident Cat 5 enhances the colors and beauty of your driveway or exterior hardscape. Sealing your pavers is also important to resist oil stains, common tree fallout, as well as erosion from rain. Having your pavers sealed will keep up their beautiful, clean appearance much longer with less maintenance required. So why use Clean Image of Orlando? For one, we provide a deep cleaning system that utilizes a vacuum recovery system for a more thorough, predictable clean. The key to a good joint sanding job is to make sure all the joints are thoroughly cleaned out, and the vacuum makes quick work of that as it removes it from the paver joints, not just spreading it around. We also use the highest grade 2-part water-based sealers available. We use both Seal and Lock and Trident Cat 5 sealer. We can also provide repairs as an option, such as sunken pavers or raised pavers, as well as pavers that have split apart due to lack of the retaining curb. So here you can see our paver deep cleaning vacuum system in action. This is especially beneficial around pools or screened-in areas, as traditional cleaning systems run the risk of getting chemicals and the dirt and mold in the joints into your pool. Another advantage of vacuum recovery, if you have a pool, screen enclosure, or any space that utilizes drains to remove rainwater from your pavers, is it's not using those drains for soil removal. For difficult stains or hard water deposits, we can use a media blaster for mechanical removal or appropriate chemicals for proper removal. Your estimate below may include several options, including furniture moving, repairs, and type of sealer. If you have any questions, please call the office at 407-298-3132 and we would be more than happy to help you make a decision. Thank you for watching, and the rest of the videos will show before and after of the jobs we have completed.